Hello, I'm going to tell you how to make the chalice with the Diabolo. The chalice is the holy grail of string figures for the Diabolo. Ready? I am left-handed, so if you are right-handed, this will be like a mirror image. The first move goes like this. I take my dominant hand stick, and I lay my dominant side of the string over my non-dominant hand stick. I wrap around like this until these two strings touch right here. And now I have 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go through that third hole on the bottom here. Ready? I make this situation here. Now see this over here? I'm going to take the inside string here out with both thumbs. I'm going to pull it down, all the way down under the Diabolo until I have this. Now, a confusing thing is going to happen. As soon as I let go of these strings, these 2 strings right here and right here are going to switch. See? So now I'm going to take the first and the third string here. And I'm going to see there's this space between the Diabolo and the string. I'm going to hop the Diabolo up. I'm going to take with my thumb and forefingers and middle fingers. I'm going to hop the Diabolo up and pull the string backward until I have this. And now, while my fingers are still in here, I'm going to switch up to this loop here and keep my thumb in this loop. Otherwise, it'll slide up, right? And so now I have my thumbs in here and I go like this. And that is an interesting shape. And now I'm going to go all the way like that. And this will, with the Diabolo, when I'm in active mode, I'm showing you in inactive mode because it is easier to learn the string. When I'm in active mode, the Diabolo will tug the strings and make this into a tighter shape, right? So tug, tug, tug. And now it looks like a wine glass or a chalice, maybe, right? The Holy Grail. And now, I lift it up and I might change the string figure a little bit, right? It looks like a cup of some sort. And then I take my thumbs out. I put them through here. I toss the Diabolo upward, and it's going to catch here and distort the strings until it looks like maybe a suspension bridge. See, we have this going on here, the suspension bridge, and then I'll let go with my thumbs. It's going to go into this cradle. Now, this is not the cat's cradle. It looks very much like another cradle that you may have seen before, except that here, what I could do in an active mode, I can take these 2 loops right here and I can switch them with my thumbs, sweep, and then grab this string here, not this lower string, this upper string right here, sweep, and make this shape. Now, whoop, make this shape. Which looks like sort of, you see the arms and the legs and the wings is the fairy in the suit. Now, I cannot get there while the Diabolo is on top of the strings. Like this, it would be too hard. Even if I threw it up, I would not have enough time to switch the strings. So I will show you how to get to the fairy in the suit by another means. There is another way to get into this string position, which is a different kind of cradle, not the cat's cradle. So this is part of a whole series of tricks that all begin with placing the string into this position, creating those 3 holes, and also this other that we can make. It is interesting that these tricks all knit together like that, from that same position, and even into cat's cradle and the tricks that follow. So, all right, the chalice.